Whales are mammals, which means they breathe air and feed milk to their babies. But whales live underwater, so feeding milk down there sounds impossible, and honestly, it almost is. Whales did not start in the ocean. It's easy to assume whales have always lived in the ocean. They look like they belong there. But their story actually starts on land. Around 50 million years ago, the ancestor of whale walked on land. Scientists have found fossils of animals like Pachycetus and Ambulucatius. They look like small land mammals, somewhere between wolf and a crocodile. They could walk on land and they are also good swimmers. Over millions of years, these animals spend more and more time in water. Their legs slowly shrank, their body become more streamlined, their tails grow stronger. Eventually, they stopped walking altogether. That's how whales ended up back in the ocean. But the question is, why whales are still mammals? Even after moving back in the seas, whales never stop being mammals. They breathe air using their lungs. They are warm blooded. They give birth to their live babies. And like all the other mammals, they produce milk. That's why whales have to surface to breathe. And why baby whales are born alive, not from eggs? But also that create a serious challenge because feeding milk underwater shouldn't really work. The problem with milk and water. Milk and water don't mix very well. If whale milk or like human or cow milk, it would just dissolve into the ocean. The baby wouldn't get enough food, the mother would waste a huge amount of energy. So, evolution had a very specific problem to solve here. How do you feed a baby without letting the milk drift away? The answer is you completely change the milk. How whales actually feed milk? Whale milk is nothing like a milk we drink. It's extremely thick, almost like a toothpaste. Some whale milk contains more than 50% of fat. That thickness keeps it from the mixing with water. Mother whales don't release milk freely. Instead, they are using strong muscle to push the milk directly into the baby's mouth. The baby helps too. It has special muscles that seal its mouth tightly while feeding. This creates a controlled transfer of milk with almost no loss. Because the milk is so rich, baby whales grow incredibly fast. Some gain more than 90 kilograms in single day. Why this made whales so successful? The high fat milk helps baby grow quickly, stay warm and build thick layer of blubber. Without this adoption, whale could never reach such massive size we see today. Their success is in the ocean depends entirely on their mammal biology. So yes, whales are mammals. They started on land, returned to the ocean, and solve one evolution's strangest problem: feeding milk underwater.